Welcome back, everyone. I'm Dr. Robert Chan, and this is your #1 source for learning about men's health and urology related issues. In this episode, I'm going to talk about phimosis. Phimosis is when the foreskin that covers the head of the penis becomes too tight or scarred because of oftentimes diabetes or tearing. Phimosis can often make intercourse very painful. Stick around because later in this video, I'm going to show you 2 procedures that urologists can do to fix phimosis: circumcision and a less involved procedure called a dorsal slit. Here's a model with the foreskin here in blue play-doh. Often guys with phimosis can't pull this tight foreskin back over the head of the penis due to scarring. We make a circumscribing incision with a scalpel, remove the foreskin, then we sutured the penile skin back together using absorbable sutures. Men often wonder what to expect after circumcision. No sex for about 4 to 6 weeks until everything heals up. No strenuous activity like bicycling, weightlifting, contact sports for probably about 4 weeks. Usually the swelling will go away after about 2 to 3 weeks, and there might be some bruising for 2 or 3 days after the procedure. For those men with tight foreskins looking for something that can be done in the office that's a little bit less involved, we have something called the dorsal slit. A clamp is placed in the midline of the foreskin. Next, it's cut with scissors or a scalpel. The edges are sewn together with absorbable sutures. Now, cosmetically, a dorsal slit is not the most aesthetically pleasing result. However, it gets the job done, especially for patients where going to the operating room might be a little bit more dangerous. If you've got any questions, please be sure to just write it down in the comments section below. Now it's time for lunch. I made some kolaches. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Please be sure to subscribe and share with your friends or family if they have any of these issues with phimosis or tight foreskin. Have a great day.